Hello and welcome to Crafting with Ty and Friends. Today I'm going to show you guys how to create a fan using Publisher. So what you want to do is open Publisher and create a new document. And then you want to get rid of the margins. So you're going to go to Page Design. You're going to go to Margins and you're going to click None. Now we're going to insert the shape that we want our fan to be. So we're going to go to Insert and we're going to go to Shape. You can choose any shape here to create your fan. So we're going to choose the scroll. And you can change it up a little bit. So once you get your scroll set how you want it, you want to insert your picture as a fill. So you're going to go to Format with your shape selected. You're going to go to Format, and we're going to go to Shape Fill, and we're going to scroll down the picture. Then you'll browse your computer and locate whatever photo you want to insert into your shape. So we got our picture inside. Now we can create a border. We want to thicken it, so we're going to go to Weight 6, but I want it to be a little thicker, so I'm going to go to More Lines, and I'm going to increase it here. Then you can insert words. Change the font. Make sure it's the size you want it to be. Then you'll file, save. Then you'll save it as a publisher. So you'll save it as a publisher file. And if you are making them to send to a customer to print, you want to save it as a PDF. So they can't make any changes to it. They can't complain and say when they went and printed it that it came out the wrong size, because with a PDF, you shouldn't be able to make any changes. Let's go back. And we're going to insert. So if you want to do a different shape, say we want to do some regular type fans. So once you print and you cut, you'll glue your stick to your fan. If you're making a double-sided, just make sure you flip, and also make sure you do not flip the words, so you're still able to read them. So like I said, you can pretty much take any shape that they have here and insert any photo you like. So these fans are great for graduation, as you can see. They are also great for promotional items, church, just all kind of things. You can just do so many different things. So say I'm not even in graduation, I can make a Lego fan. So I can insert my Lego and then just put the items on top of it, just like you would if you were designing a chip bag or a water bottle label or whatever you may be designing. So let's just grab another picture. And then just increase your outline to whatever color and width you like. And now you have another fan. Insert class of 2019. Alright. Save, and now you have another fan. Another way to create the fans and have a little more control of where the picture sits at is you start by inserting the photo first. So we're going to go to insert picture. You're going to locate the photo you want to use. And then what you're going to do is crop it to shape. So we're going to go to format, crop to shape. We're going to select the scroll. Now we can't see the outline, so we're going to actually just create a border real quick. Let's add a little weight to it. And now you can take these and switch things up, stretch the scroll out, move the photo. We'll just make as many changes. So once you get it changed to however you see fit, you'll add your words. You keep it like that. You'll add your class of 2019 or your name, or whatever wording you're adding, wherever you're adding it at. Then you'll save. Remember to save it as a PDF if you're sending it to be printed or if you're sending it to a customer. Remember to save your master publisher copy so you can go back and make any changes if need be. So if this isn't the spot you want it, you just always go back to format, crop to shape, and just choose the same shape you already have it, or you can, switch it up. It's your choice. But I hope this helps. Please like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.
I said, don't stop, don't stop.